Hi, I'm JD Gunnell, USU Extension gardening expert. Here are December's gardening tips. Use ice melts or other de-icing compounds sparingly to avoid salt damage to the soils or landscape plants. Consider signing up to be a member of the USU-sponsored botanical gardens. You will receive discounts on classes and workshops, along with other special benefits. Place living Christmas trees, poinsettias, and other houseplants away from heat registers to avoid excessive drying. And last but not least, remember to shop for your favorite gardener. Great holiday gifts include books, pruners, gift certificate to their favorite nursery, gardening gloves, a living wreath, pottery, or even yard ornaments. Consider giving this person a USU Botanical Center membership. Find out more at usubotanicalcenter.org. Find more garden tips like these at garden.usu.edu.